I've walked, so laundry room. Yeah. I've done a video in there before where I talked about a special top pot donut. Was it the Tanis and Marshall buttermilk bar with Bavarian cream filling and a peanut butter frosting? And I've filmed at least 2 videos. One, what's under the stairs, and one, my dad was in. I was helping my dad get wood cut, set up to saw over here. Sorry. This is. It used to be a long time ago. This used to be the. Ooh, I can make this part of my running story. Okay, I got my talking point. Okay. This is currently my dad's workspace. The man cave, also known as Dave's cave, although his name is David, but people call him Leon. Some people call him Dave, so it's Dave's cave. The man cave. And he's been working on he made this. This is koi. He's been working on wood carvings. And so there's some of his wood carvings. This is walking and talking today, Thursday, 8 February 2024. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. It's my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. And so I'm pacing in Dave's cave. And that's a little fox I got him to watch over him. While he's down here. And so there's a bunch of different equipment in the Dave's cave, the man cave. And so what am I going to talk about as I walk and talk? Well, wait, I'll talk as I pace in this room. This used to be, so this house currently has 3 stories, and it used to only have 2, and this has been ground level. It's actually it's partially underground, like it's dug into the earth. So if we open the door here, that's rock over that way. So like it's partially underground, this level of the house. And yeah, it's kind of cool. And so when the 3rd story of the house was being built, this was my parents' bedroom. My parents slept out here, and then my sister and I slept in there. This is a picture of my grandpa Roger. He is the one who was also a lifeguard and a swimmer, and my dad's dad. So I guess we're bringing swimming into this as well. And he went on to be in the United States of American Navy and was a fighter pilot in the Oak Harbor master. And so that was part of it. Then once the 3rd level was built and kind of, I think it was before then as well, this was the living room, well, not living room, family room. And so we had different setups. The TV was over here at one point in time, and then sofas were over here, and then later the TV was over here. Oh, and part of the boxing store, we had, was like an 80-pound boxing bag, and it hung from the ceiling over here. And it hung down here. And we had a Nordic track, a rowing machine, erg, and a treadmill. And so this is the room where I took my first steps in my running career back in January 2006 with myself as coach. The treadmill was set up over there. Oh, and there was weights, Bowflex weight machine, if I'm recalling correctly. And which my sister used for physical therapy because she had knee problems. Growing up, I owned all of those appliances. The only one I did not hurt myself with and stuck with was the treadmill. So yeah, that was it. So now where my dad has his office space, that's where over 16 years ago, I took my first steps as a runner with myself as coach. So it's kind of fun. My sister was more into the boxing thing than I was. Yes, she really liked like all of the boxing movies, you know, that kind of feminist where it's like whatever the fad is, the tough girl, but still not losing the, you know, manicure, pedicure, dyed hair with potentially waves or straight or whatever the fad is kind of thing. She's more into fads and trends than I am, kind of thing. And so the boxing she was really into, and it wasn't as hard on her knees as long as she didn't like twist and turn too fast kind of thing. Yeah. But that's pacing in Dave's cave, a room that has changed its utility, served multiple utilities over the years, including the space in which I began my running career. So there we go, a little bit more about me, Tanis Leonhardi. Thank you for joining me, whenever you're joining me and wherever you're joining me from.